Searching old memories and days gone by. Loneliness is so hard to bear. I miss you, I miss you endlessly. My beloved, how deeply I miss you. Why did our paths ever meet? You were never meant to be forgotten. Those letters we shared while wandering dreams. Please never forget Rinpui. When we walked in the language of love, I never thought it would end like this. Those heartfelt stories we once told, may you remember them too. Why did our paths ever meet? You were never meant to be forgotten. Those letters we shared while wandering dreams. Please never forget Rinpui. There is no other reason. It is because I was not enough. Though tears fall